Welcome back, traders, to a live breakdown. I want to make this video so I can help you guys basically use the same indicators that I use while trading. And it really comes down to using proper indicators when trading, because this will really help you guys out tremendously. But I wanted to remind you guys, I have the new course being made right now, FX Accelerator 2. If you guys have not got on the wait list, there is a link in the description below where you guys can get on that wait list. I highly recommend you do that, as well as putting down a $100 deposit so you can lock in a spot for that course. Spots are limited, so that'll basically ensure that you are one of the first people to get the course. This will basically help you guys lock in a spot, so there are limited spots. I have to tell you guys that right off the bat. Definitely make sure you do that. Let's dive in, guys. Right here we are on tradingview.com. We have our indicator tab right here. You guys can find any indicators that you want to use. The main indicators that I use on my chart, guys, are the moving averages right here. I have my 20 length moving average and my 50 length moving average. So when you go right here to the indicators, you find moving average, or you type it in. I already have it. Boom, it's right there. You click that and then it'll appear right here. And I have two different moving averages. The first one, for my settings, I have the inputs, the 20 length. And then for the second one, I have it at 50 length. And you kind of want to change the style so they are different colors so you can identify them properly. And I want to show you guys, with this tool, it helps you identify whether it's going to be a buy or a sell market. What I want to do is outline right here. Whenever you guys see, do you guys see how the blue line went under the red line? Whenever you guys see the blue line, the 50 length moving average, go under the 20 length moving average, that's basically signaling a buy. So when that happened, price rose up, came up to our 200 EMA, and then price kind of closed below. And what we also saw when it came up to these levels, you guys can see that we have a shooting star candle form. And that candle is a reversal candle. So price came up, hit this level, hit the EMA, it closed as a shooting star candle, and then price completely dropped from there. And you guys can see, whenever we see the blue line go over the red line, like as we did here, it means it's going to be a sell market. So this tool is very powerful. This is just one of the tools that I personally use when trading, and it really helps me out. Another tool that I want to go over with you guys is the Fibonacci retracement. Move my screen real quick, guys. The Fib retracement, grab that. Swing high to swing low. And then what you need to do is extend it into the future. So you guys can see when I'm using this tool, the most retraceable levels are the 628 or the 618. It really doesn't matter. I honestly have it set at 628. And you guys can see right here, look at this point in the market when it came and hit this point. You guys see when I outlined that, price came and hit support at the 382 level. Then it retraced back up to the 628 level, hit that zone right above our moving averages, and then price completely dropped. So right here, this is one of our most volatile zones we'll use in this tool. And it will really help you guys out, especially when we're finding our next price. What I want to show you guys too is as I get my trend line right here, extend it into the future. Look at how perfect this is. We had a trend break recently. As we have our trend line right here, price came up, bink, hit it, shot up to the 628 level, closed right below our 200 EMA. Broke through the 382 level, price kind of came down here, tested the trend line again, did not close above the 50 moving average, which kind of signaled a sell. And then after that next candle closed, the new daily candle came out. Yesterday's daily candle came out, closed below the moving average, and then the next candle completely dropped, broke our trend line, signaling a beautiful sell. So if this candle actually closes right here, we could see a sell, and our next zone of support that we're going to break is right here. So that's why it's very important to use this tool, the Fibonacci retracement, because it will help you identify the zones for your stop loss and your take profits. And what I want to do is have you guys actually screenshot my settings so you can set it up exactly how I have my Fibonacci retracement set up. The way that they have it set up already is not really accurate. It's kind of hard to identify the levels. That's why I have it set up this way. So I definitely recommend that you guys screenshot this, when you can go back to your screenshot and kind of fill it in for yourself and fix it to make it look exactly how I have it. There's that. Fibonacci, moving averages. These are the tools that I personally use as a trader. When it comes to trading, you guys all need to realize that it's really personal preference. Some people might use the Fibonacci's and it might work for them. Other people might use it and it will not work for them at all. Other people might use the 50 moving average, maybe even the 70 moving average. It really comes down to personal preference, which you want to do as a trader, but kind of test it. Use the RSI, maybe the stochastics, other tools like that. And if you guys don't have an account with TradingView, you can only use up to 3 indicators right here. So I honestly don't need many indicators. That's just me as a trader. I don't use many indicators. And that's really like what it comes down to, is personal preference. So you guys can figure out your indicators that you want to use, back test it, see what time frames they work better on. With the Fibonacci, they work very well on the hour 4 and the daily chart. That's just what I use, guys. So kind of test it out for yourself, see how it works. But if you guys have not yet subscribed, please hit that button below. Like I said, the waitlist for the new course is in the link of the description of this video, as well as the current course we have right now. If you guys are looking to take your trading to the next level, I definitely recommend you guys get that. I also have a free trial to my group chat. It's a 7-day trial, and then after that it's $75 a month. That'd be great for a lot of beginners. You guys can take the same trades that I'm taking every single week, as well as other links below, like my social links. You guys can reach out to me via Instagram and we can connect more, talk more about anything that you guys need help with trading. But other than that, this was a very quick video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.